For this type of equation where you are seeing a fraction bar as a grouping symbol, there are two options that you can use to try to solve it. The first option would be to try to distribute the division into the numerator there. For this one, that would create 3x over 4 plus 8 over 4. So the 8 over 4 would be fairly simple to do, but 3x over 4, although you could do it, so you could end up with 3/4 x plus 2. So you can pull the x out to the side and just call it 3/4. So that's one option, is to distribute. The other option would be to eliminate the division by forcing it to be a 1 so that it would not impact the problem. In order to force division to become a 1, we would want to multiply by 4. Now, 3x plus 8 over 4 is one term, so if we were to multiply by 4, basically 4 over 1, then we'd be multiplying the top by 4, and then we would be dividing it by 4. So in essence, we would be undoing what we just did, so we would just be left with 3x plus 8. We would then need to come to the other side and multiply it by 4 as well, which would give us 44. So those are two options to get it to a point where you could then move forward solving. So either the 3/4 x plus 2 equals 11, or the 44 equals 3x minus 8. I would prefer the 44 equals 3x minus 8 since there's no fractions. It would be just slightly simpler to solve, although really the difference is negligible.